So I'm here and I've seen worse, so yeah, it's not ideal. It's not the picture perfect plot that I'd like, but it's okay, it's doable. Whew. Right, yes, not brilliant, but let's go and have a look in the tunnel. Okay. Oh, Tommies are growing, weeds are growing. Not too bad. I think these are cucumbers. Yeah, they're cucumbers. Nice. So I'll take that little one off the bottom there. Looking good. So I'm going to tie these in to something that doesn't exist yet, but we'll put something in there and tie them in. Tomatoes. Got these little supports. I think they go from Lidl. And woohoo! A tunnel. So yeah, I'm not going to stress about it. The veg is growing, and that's all that matters really.